Hello everyone, I am Dr. G. Radhika. Welcome to our MBA concept series, one concept at a time, one step closer to success. Today's concept is selling. Selling is the process of persuading or convincing customers to buy a product or service. Simple definition of selling is the art of convincing customers to purchase a product or service. Easy example, imagine you visit a mobile phone store. The salesperson explains the phone's camera, battery life, storage, and special discount. They answer your questions and encourage you to buy the phone. This process is called selling. Easy formula, product, customer, purchase is equal to selling. Finally, selling means convincing customers to buy a product or service. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing.